Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinator back here with your guitar interpretations. We're doing G Herbo with Cycle. It's a request by one of y'all, so yeah, we're gonna do that. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and put your cap on fret number 6. You will notice this is not really the pitch they used on the song. They probably down tuned that to like a half of a semitone or something. Basically, it was off tune. That's what I'm saying, because I tuned my guitar standard and yeah, I really couldn't find the pitch, but this is the closest you can get on a guitar. But the chords are as follows. We play A minor, G, F, C, okay? A minor, G, F, and then C. If you're not familiar with the chords, check out my chord video. It's on this channel. If you can't find it, I will link it in the comment section below. Otherwise, for the more advanced players, we're going to be playing on our second string. Isn't we're holding A minor, and then we go 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we go on the first string. Oh, sorry, it's 1, 2, open, okay, on your second string. 1, 2, open. And then we play the next chord, and then we go, the second riff would be, which is 1, so it's 1, 3, open on the second string, and then 1, 3, open on the first string, right? So we go A minor, and then 1, 3, open, and then we go F, and then 1, 3, open again, right? So that's A minor. So on your open, you're playing G, okay? So that's, okay, so A minor, G, F, C, A minor, G, F, C. That's how it goes. And if you can do the whole plucking thing where you go. And that is pretty much the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Do let me know in the comment section below any new songs that you need me to check out. I will get to that. Otherwise, see you guys in the next video.